Number 395. What is the perimeter of the trapezoid? The perimeter is going to be the distance around the outer edges of the figure. So it's going to be the sum of all four sides, which means we need to add 10 and 5/6, 4 and 1/3, plus 4 and 1/3, plus 6 and 2/3. So we need to find the sum of four mixed fractions. Let's break apart the mixed fractions. 10 and 5/6 is 10 plus 5/6. The next one is going to be 4 plus 1/3, plus another 4 plus 1/3, and then we have 6 plus 2/3. Now let's add the whole numbers. 4 plus 6 is 10, plus another 10, that's 20, plus 4, that's 24. Now notice that 1 over 3 plus 2 over 3 is 3 over 3, and 3 over 3 is 1. So now we can combine 24 and 1, that's 25. And then we have 5 over 6 plus 1 over 3. Now 1 over 3, if we multiply it by 2 over 2, it becomes 2 over 6. 5 over 6 plus 2 over 6 is 7 over 6. But I'm going to break up 7 over 6 into 6 over 6 plus 1 over 6. 6 over 6 is 1. And 25 plus 1 is 26. So this is going to be 26 and 1/6 feet. That's going to be the perimeter as a mixed number.